Unveiling the Stickiness, the Magic of Wood Glue. Hello, and welcome to today's episode on English language learning. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or just curious about everyday English phrases, understanding the term wood glue can be both practical and enriching. In this video, we're going to explore what wood glue means, how it's used in both literal and figurative speech, and why it's a sticky subject worth knowing about. So, let's get right to it. Wood glue is a type of adhesive specifically designed for bonding pieces of wood together. It's a key player in woodworking and carpentry. When you apply wood glue to a surface and press another piece of wood against it, the glue dries and hardens, creating a strong bond that can often be as tough as the wood itself. But it's not just about sticking things together. The choice of wood glue can affect the quality and durability of the woodworking project. This is why phrases like, strong as wood glue, or hold tight like wood glue, have seeped into everyday English to describe something that is reliable or trustworthy. Let's delve into the different kinds of wood glue. The most common types you might hear about are PVA glue. This stands for polyvinyl acetate, a general-purpose wood glue that's both easy to use and clean up. Epoxy, a two-part adhesive that's known for its incredible strength and durability. Polyurethane glue. It expands as it dries, filling in gaps and creating a strong bond even in tough conditions. Each type has its own set of properties that make it suitable for different woodworking projects. The names of these glues often come up in conversations about craftsmanship, DIY projects, or even to metaphorically talk about strong bonds in relationships or teams. The phrase, wood glue, is sometimes used figuratively in English. For example, if someone is considered the wood glue of a group, it means they are what holds everyone together, often because of their strong personality or leadership skills. Additionally, you might hear expressions like, this contract is wood glue, implying that the agreement is solid and binding. The metaphor extends to various contexts where strength and reliability are paramount. If you're ever in a situation where you need to use wood glue, here are some quick tips. 1. Surface preparation. Ensure that the wood surfaces are clean and dry for the best bond. 2. Apply properly. Spread the glue evenly and follow the manufacturer's instructions for how much to use. 3. Clamping. After joining the pieces, clamp them together firmly until the glue sets, usually for several hours. 4. Cleanup. Wipe away excess glue with a damp cloth before it dries. These tips are not just for woodworking. They can be metaphors for preparing well, doing things evenly and consistently, and giving time for projects to develop. That wraps up our sticky journey into the world of wood glue. From a substance that keeps our wooden wonders intact, to a metaphorical term for strength and dependability, wood glue is more than just a tool. It's a concept that conveys reliability. I hope you found this explanation helpful and that it sticks with you in your English language learning adventure. Remember, language learning is a bit like woodwork. It takes patience, care, and the right materials to create something wonderful. Until next time, keep bonding with the English language, and don't let your learning enthusiasm come unstuck. Goodbye for now.